Hey there, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, I'm Ronnie Ocampo. On this channel, we talk all things wildland firefighting, and today we're going through this awesome box. This is from Anchor & Flank. I'm sure you've heard of them, and if you haven't, what are you doing with your life? She is a part of the wildland firefighting community, and she started a candle company. I have scissors, but you know what, we're just gonna manimal it, because why not? Okay, there we go. She hand pours all of these, and so I actually have a ton of her older ones, and they're in this like tin can. This is Briefing, by the way, coffee and vanilla. It is so good, and I know I've talked about it before, but these ones are a little bit more elevated because they are the glass bottles, and so I wanted to show you. So these ones are kind of her, I don't know if they're just seasonal, but this is more of a, I don't know if it's glass, I don't know what it is, but it's very, very nice. And they're huge compared to the one like this. And they are delicious. These are her seasonal ones. And so anyways, I ordered some, and so I wanted to go through them because I haven't tried these flavors. They are new to me. I have a ton of her older ones. So I just wanted to go through it with you guys. So come over here with me. We'll come over here. So the awesome thing about her is that she will always give you a sticker. There's this little QR code you can scan. She also has these really cute handwritten cards, and also with like a little candle care on the back. It's so cute, love it. It's packed really, really well so that nothing breaks. Oh, I'm so excited. It smells so good already. Winter wood. See how well she packages them so they don't break or scratch. Oh my gosh. Look at how elegant and fancy that looks. It is eucalyptus, cypress, mint, spruce, evergreen, cedar, amber, fir, and moss. Oh my gosh, it is beautiful. It has this at the top of the candle, her website, and then also Anchor & Flank on Instagram. And it is just so beautiful. I love these. She does such a great job with them, and it smells phenomenal. And this one is Moscato Mop Up. She always has these super cute fire themed names on there. So again, the topper. This one is citrus, cranberry, champagne, musk, and praline. Wow, this one's obviously very fruity compared to the other ones that I have. So these are the two that I got. So I had previously bought this one. This is the freezing season. And this is eucalyptus, lavender, cypress, pine, bayberry, oak moss, cedar, and rosemary. Anything with oak moss, yes please. So this one is my absolute favorite. I love this one. It's very strong. It throws very far. It literally fills my entire house. I can leave the house, come back, and my whole house smells like this. It is really good. These are the ones that I picked up. The only other one I think that she had was like a vanilla cookie kind that I didn't grab, but I got these three. So very awesome. I know she has a couple other scents coming up for February, so I would definitely check those out. All of the ones that she does a phenomenal job. I'm not affiliated with her. I don't have a code or anything for you, but you can get on her newsletter, and she does do some discounts on there that you guys can do, which is why I did these ones. I was on her newsletter and got a discount. I'm gonna go clean up this mess, but in the meantime, if you have any questions about the upcoming fire season, how to prepare, how to train, educational questions, please leave those down in the comments below, or you can head over to my Instagram and DM me on there. I would love to hear from you guys, so that way our next video can be a Q&A. I will leave Anchor & Flank's information down below so you can go check out her website. And if you have any other firefighters that you love to support, please leave those down in the comments below. I would love for all of us to be able to go and support them and check out their stuff, because I would love to grow our community and share the wealth with everybody. So we are all a very creative bunch of people, so I know we can go out and support each other. I would love that. Hopefully I will see you guys in the next video. You can go ahead and check out some of my other videos between now and the next upload, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.